morning guys, and welcome back to another fall day in my life. We are doing another one of those pretending and preparing for fall in the middle of July. I'm just in a fall mood. I'm a fall girl if you don't know, and I am obsessed with pretending it's fall when it's summer and then also romanticizing it. Fall's my favorite season and I just feel like it's so fun. So we're starting off this little video in the kitchen. It is 8:40 in the morning and we are going to make some breakfast. I saw this really cute thing on Pinterest. I'll put a picture on the screen where you get toast and you kind of like romanticize the toast in a way and you make it really cute for fall. So you use toast, chocolate, bananas, and oranges and you make them into the shapes of a ghost and a spider, and I feel like that's gonna be really cute. And then I'm also going to make a pumpkin little coffee because I feel like it wouldn't be a fall video if we didn't have a pumpkin coffee. I'm just kidding, obviously it would be a fall video, but you know what I mean. So we're gonna do that. I got this new pumpkin spice cold foam from Target. I'm so excited about this and I cannot wait to try it. I've had it before. I don't know if it's the exact same one I've had before, but I'm very excited and I can't wait to give it a try. So I'm going to toast my toast and then we're going to make everything. Had breakfast. Is actually really good. I'm not the biggest fan of fruit, an exception to oranges and grapes. When it comes to like bananas, berries, even though I like strawberries, I'm not the biggest fan of them. But let me tell you, on the toast, it was so good. I'm very, very happy that I gave it a try because I would definitely eat that again. I've never had a banana with chocolate and usually I don't like the texture of bananas, but I was like, you know what, let me just try. It's actually really good. So I'll definitely eat that again. I also don't really eat chocolate a lot because I used to eat it every single day when I was growing up, and I did notice a difference with my skin. Like I would get really bad acne, and when I stopped eating chocolate, the acne with changing my eating habits and everything like that did go away. So I try to limit the amount of chocolate I have because I love it so much and I will eat it every day if I could. So I don't eat it that often, but when I do eat it, it's like a nice little reward and I'm very happy that I was able to have it. But that's a little rundown. I don't think I've ever talked about that before. I think I've only said like I don't eat chocolate, but that's why. I love it though. I also have nut allergies, so like there's only certain chocolates that I can have. Now I am actually going to fast forward a little bit. I recently had 4th of July nails on when I was making my fall video, and somebody commented and it made me laugh so hard. It was like 4th of July nails but doing a fall video is crazy, and I started laughing so hard because honestly so true. So I did change my nails, not only because of that comment, also because I wanted something a little bit more neutral. So I did a fall nail. I don't know if you can see. I think they're really, really cute and like a good like summer to fall transition nail, and I did vlog that, so we're gonna insert that now.
Stand by the fire.
So these are what my nails look like. I think they're adorable. I really, really like them, and I think they go a lot more better with the theme. Now I'm going to quickly get ready. I think I'm just going to throw my hair in a nice little French braid so it's out of my face and I don't have to put heat on it. And we are going to put on a cute little fall outfit. I'm trying to decide if I want to wear a skirt or jeans. I don't know which one I want to wear yet. I have a cute skirt outfit in mind that I think would look really nice with like a headband and a nice little purse. But I want to look cute when I go to the stores. It's also really hot here in Florida, so I think skirt would be better. So I'm going to quickly get ready and put on my cute little outfit. Here is outfit option 1 to go shopping. I feel like this is really cute. I just don't know if it's giving shopping. I feel like it's giving more apple picking or pumpkin picking, but at the same time I do feel like it's a good summer to fall transition piece. I just don't know how I feel about it to go shopping. Top is from American Eagle, skirt is American Eagle, purse is Coach, little purse chain is American Eagle. I paired it with these really cute cowboy boots, which I'm obsessed with. They're from Boot Barn. I just don't know if this is giving let's go shopping. And then I'm also wearing this little headband, which I think is from Amazon, to tie in the outfit. I wish I had a brown purse, but my brown purse is in New Jersey, so I am on the look for that as well. I don't know, do we like this outfit? The more I look at it, the more I love it. It's just, I don't know if it's giving shopping, but I feel like it's fine. I might just wear it. I decided I am going to wear it because I think it's cute. I'm just going to put on this really pretty smelling perfume. It's in the scent Vanilla Skin because I feel like this screams fall. And then just to tie in a little bit more to the outfit, I'm going to put on these sunglasses and then just just do a quick lip. I'm using the Rode Lip Shape in the shade Twist, and then just some Tarte Juicy Lip. Honestly, Target had a lot of stuff, but it was more like all clothing, which I'm not complaining about. I'm really excited. Got some really cute things, which I'll do a haul when I get home. But now I'm going to go to HomeGoods and Marshall. So much stuff, but I ended up not getting anything because the line was so long. Now I'm walking over to Michael's because I know that they put out a lot of their stuff and everything is so cute. Home from all of my fall shopping. I ended up going to Target, HomeGoods, Marshall's, Michael's, Bath & Body Works, and I looked in Ulta to see if they had any of their like pumpkin products out yet, but they didn't. I'm gonna do a little haul. First things first, I got this really cute bear blanket that I'm obsessed with. Look at how stinking cute this is. I love teddy bears, and I think that the designs on this is so stinking cute. Next things next, I got this really cute Diet Coke Ghost. If you know me, I love Diet Coke, and I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so adorable. And I saw a TikTok where they bedazzle a Diet Coke bottle, and I think that's adorable. So I got this from HomeGoods. Look at how adorable this is. Moving on, next from HomeGoods, I got these baking cups. As a lot of you probably know, I love fall baking, and this one has a ghost with a pumpkin and then just little pumpkins, which I think is adorable. And then I got these little Halloween, I don't even know what they're called, but I think they're really cute to put like candy corn and some Halloween candy in. And then I went to Target, and Target has a lot of their fall clothes out, which I'm really excited about. Look at how adorable this set is. So it's a little skirt, and then I also got the matching top, and I just think this is adorable and is like screaming fall, especially with the cowboy boots that I'm wearing. I think that would be such a cute outfit. And then lastly, from Bath & Body Works, I got 2 more fall candles because I love candles. This one is called Caramel Vanilla, and this one's called Cinnamon Sugar Coffee Cake. These smell so good, and I highly recommend getting them. Now that I'm done fall shopping, I'm going to change into something a little bit more comfortable, and we are going to make a cozy dinner. It actually is raining every single day here in Florida, and there's something about the rain that just really reminds me of coziness and like that fall weather that we get back in Jersey. Don't get me wrong, it's hot, but we're romanticizing and pretending that it's not hot. And I want to do a cozy dinner, so I think I'm going to make penne vodka sauce with chicken cutlet because that screams coziness to me. We're going to put on Gilmore Girls and obviously have a little candle on as well. So I'm going to go change into probably pajamas or like a sweatshirt, something more comfy, and then we are going to get to cooking dinner. Cute little fall pajamas. The shorts are American Eagle, the top is Target. These slippers are American Eagle from last year. The shorts come with a matching shirt, but I'm cold, so I just put on a sweatshirt. And I also put on my little fall ambiance. I have my candles on. It smells so good in here. And now we're going to make some dinner.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
ignore my messy bed. I am in the process of needing to change my sheets, which I'm going to do after this video, but I just made dinner. It was very good. There's something about the vodka sauce with chicken cutlet that just really reminds me of coziness, rainy days, and matches those vibes that I was going for. So that was very nice, and I watched Gilmore Girls while doing it. Now I'm going to quickly do some skincare, not a lot at all. I feel like something I love doing during the fall especially is prioritizing my skincare, because even though I try to always prioritize it, I just think it's something that reminds me of coziness and self-care, if that makes sense. Normally I would take a bath and watch a show or read to really embrace that coziness, but I really want to make cookies tonight and I need to choose one or the other, so I'm not up until like 3 in the morning. Look at how stinking cute this little skincare headband is. I love it. It's from American Eagle, but years ago. First things first, I'm going to use the Tower 28 facial spray. This stuff is so cooling and so refreshing. I'm obsessed with it. Then I'm going to use the Pacifica Glow brightening pads. I love these. They do such a good job. I started using these this year and honestly, I use them every day. I think they're amazing. And it reminds me of fall because it's orange. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of cream. I use the Bubble cream because it is so hydrating. I absolutely love the benefits it does for my skin. And then next, I have these pumpkin eye patches. I got these off of Amazon. I absolutely love them. I've only used them twice because I was saving them for when it's fall, but I'm so excited to start using them again because they smell really good and they're just really, really nice to have on. They're very cooling and refreshing, which is really nice as well, and I absolutely love them. The only other thing I'm going to do is just put on a little bit of Aquaphor. Now that that's done, I am going to go back to the kitchen and do some baking. I talk about this in a lot of my videos, but I love baking, especially during the fall, because it does remind me of that coziness type of feeling. So I think I want to make royal icing sugar cookies. I absolutely love sugar cookies and I love royal icing, and I'm trying to master how to make them look really pretty. And I just bought a lot of new cookie utensils. So I think I have an apple, a pumpkin, an acorn, and a leaf, and I want to try my best to make them look really cute. So let's go to the kitchen and do some baking. I hope they turn out good.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September.
This is what the cookies turned out like. They look pretty good. I need to learn how to work with royal icing better, but overall very cute. It's almost 10:30 now. I just finished making my cookies. Honestly, they turned out really good taste-wise. I do want to learn how to do royal icing better, like make it smoother and everything. So if anybody has any tips, please let me know. But that is going to be it for this little fall video in the middle of July. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.